This is a Chinese machine, so you fill it up with the Chinese ball and it start grabbing the Chinese in this truck and shoot it with these wheels. Customer, he said this one it was working fine and he sold it to a friend. Then in a couple days his friend bring it back to him, told him that it doesn't work. And the customer is mad. Like usually this is what happens when you sold something to a neighbor, to a friend, to a family. You know, you're always going to see that thing. So alright, let's power it on and see what it's doing. Okay, as you see, this wheel it works. This one it doesn't work. And that's what is the problem. So the customer already replaced the battery a couple months ago. Battery is still in a good condition. And quick check in the board. So we have 3 big MOSFETs. So he contacted someone or the company who made this, I'm not sure. And someone told him that he needs to switch the wires, the top motor to the bottom one, to see if the problem is in the motor itself or the problem here in the board. So it's clearly this MOSFET, you see the crack. So it's a burned MOSFET, and we have, it's over there labeled top motor, and here is the bottom motor. So we are going to switch the wires. And we are going to see if that's going to work. So let's lift in this one up to be free to move. Yep, it works. So the top one now is off and the bottom it works. And look like that's what happened. Is this is like you can change the angle where the ball is going to be shooting, and I think the customer moved it to the maximum. Is not, the wheel wasn't moving free, and that's put a stress in the MOSFET, then it's burned. I think that's what happened. It's look like this MOSFET is being replaced before, because that solder doesn't look I did search for these MOSFETs, but I couldn't find anything like exactly the same one. This is F2204S, but I find something similar for the voltage and amps that we can use, and this should be this one. I ordered two. Is a F1404ZS. Alright, let's remove these two MOSFETs. We install the new one and we see if it's gonna work. Alright, let's disconnect the battery. Yeah, we can just disconnect this one. That's the battery. And this is the top and this is the bottom. Let's try it. That's the first try. It's gonna work or it's gonna explode. Yeah, the top one it's spinning, but the bottom one it doesn't. We know the motor is good, but we are going to check more components here. I don't remember if I checked the surge and the MOSFETs. There are no surge. Oh, that's a low ohm here. Now it's measuring the coil and the motor. So same thing, this one is good. Oh, 5. All right. So the gauge of these MOSFETs. Let's check the voltage first. What we have here. All right, let's power it on. That's the ground. And to here we have nothing. To here we have 9 volt, so we still have no voltage here. Now we have 12 volt, 9 volt, and the gauge we have 700 millivolt, 600 millivolt. Let's check with the oscilloscope to see if we have the wave in the gauge. Alright, let's go on the ground. Okay, here, yeah, we have that wave as it shows on the oscilloscope. You can see that's the wave for this gauge. Okay, let's see the other gauge. Nothing. So one gauge we have the wave, one gauge we have nothing. And let's go to the microscope. So this is the working site, and that's the MOSFET. And we have the gauge. Let's go to this resistor, and it go to this transistor. Alright, let's see if this one NPN or PNP. So we put the red probe in the base. Okay, we have 1.9, 0.8, 1.9, 0.8. Okay, let's flip. 0.5, 0.5. So the black probe is go to the base, 0.5 to the emitter, and 0.5 to the collector. So this is a PNP. And let's go to the other one. So we're gonna push, and that's the gauge of the MOSFET. Let's go to this resistor, and let's go to this transistor. So let's do the same way. If we put the black probe in this bed, 0.5, that's good. To here, 0.6, that's good. 0.6, 0.6, 0.5. And if we flip, should be higher reading here, should be higher reading here, but we have 0.8, 0.8. That's not right. 0.6, 0.8. Let's go back to the other transistor. 1.8, 0.8, 0.5, 0.5. Okay, try this one again. 0.5, 0.6. And if we flip, 0.8, 1.8. Yeah, we kind of have the same reading to the other one, but I'm going to take that transistor and let's replace it, basically. All right, let's look in this board to see if we can find any PNP transistors. We have a couple transistors right here, and right there. All right, let's start with this one. No, that's not, we should have a reading this way. If we put the black probe right here and the red probe right here, we should have a reading. So let's try another one. So black right here, red here, no. This one, no. Another one right here, where is it? This one, no reading. All these ones is NPN, these transistors. So let's try these ones. Okay, so if we put the black probe in this bed, we put the red here, we have reading. The other side, we have reading. And if we flip, no reading, no reading. So that's a NPN transistor. Okay, so if we put the black probe in this bed, we put the red here, we have reading. The other side, we have reading. And if we flip, no reading, no reading. Well, that's the PNP transistor. So let's take it. Alright, let's change the transistor. Because that's where the wave is come from, and we see. 1.4. We don't have reading this way. Yeah, maybe we had some charge in the capacitor was giving us that reading. Okay, so let's be sure this one. Black probe right there. We should have some reading this way. And some reading this way. Yeah, still a little bit hot. So the same thing, right this one. Reading. Okay, I wanna test this one. So let's solder it over there. Just solder it over there. We can test it better now. It's not going to be moving. The black probe right here, 0.5 to this pad. We don't have reading this pad. So this transistor basically it's a test bed. Or let's plug the battery, and we are going to measure let's measure right here. It works. I see the wheel is moving, so let's put it right here. Yep, we have the wave. Let me show you. So right here you can see that wave. That's the output of that transistor, and the output of this transistor, we have the same wave. And both models are spinning. Yep. Let me turn it off so you can see it. Yep, both of them is spinning. So it's fixed. Alright, let's test it. Let's see how it works. Yep. So, this is all for this video, and see you again.